Good afternoon. Konnichiwa. Thank you. I would like to thank you to openSUSE and openSUSE.Asia Summit Committee in Japan who hold the great event right now. I'm happy I can meet with the openSUSE contributor and openSUSE user in Asia and great people here right now. Give an applause. Okay, welcome to my talk. Today I'm gonna show you maybe it's still boom in IT world right now, which is about Docker. But I will not explain about Docker extensively, but I will explain only about Docker registry. Related with the Docker registry, there is a great project from SUSE called Portus. What is Portus and what is the function of the Portus itself? And I will explain it right now on my presentation. Before I start, I'm sorry if my English is bad. I'm sorry if my explanation is not good. But I have brought my explain on my presentation, so at the minimum you can understand what I mean. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask on the end of class, and you can email me on this email. And I want to inform you for the lucky ones, you will have a gift from openSUSE Indonesia. This is a special one, only one. Whoa. Only one. But if your size is not, I'm sorry. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Okay, before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Dhenandi Putra. I'm from Indonesia. Currently, I work as IT staff in IT consultant company in Indonesia. Sometimes to spend my time, I become a cyclist and a writer on my blog. I usually write about my experience or openSUSE on my blog or my GitHub and etc. I'm an openSUSE user since 2014. Start my first journal in openSUSE Harlequin when 12.13.2, and until now I use my openSUSE on my MacBook because I'm satisfied to use it. A few months ago I bought a MacBook Air, but I just use Macintosh for a day, and I delete on my Mac instead openSUSE. Besides it, I have also organized some small event for openSUSE Indonesia. I'm an activist on openSUSE Indonesia. Last year, I became a volunteer in openSUSE.Asia Summit 2016 in Yogyakarta. This is my biggest experience for openSUSE. We openSUSE.Asia Summit 2016 have served almost 500 participants in Yogyakarta, and it's the biggest contribution I have ever made for openSUSE. And we have also organized some small event for openSUSE Indonesia, such as the openSUSE Release Party 42.2 and 42.3. And I'm a coordinator of openSUSE Indonesian Translator. Indeed, I realize my contribution is still a little bit yet, but I believe if the more we contribute, there are many positive benefits that can be gained from the community. Okay. before we go to the Docker registry, the first thing you should understand about Docker. And I want to tell you about Docker concept in a nutshell. So, usually if you build an application, the first thing is you will install the operating system, and then you install the dependencies, then install the application and run the application. But if you want to remove it, it will affect your system. Some packages will be deleted and system becomes messy. And Docker come to solve this problem. Docker at its core is a way to separate your application and dependencies needed to run it from the operating system itself. To make this possible, Docker uses a containers and image. And a Docker image is basically a template for a file system. When you run the Docker image, an instance in the container are pushed in the sub-container. Okay. But in this talk, I will not explain about how to containerizing your own application with the Docker, but only how to create a Docker registry. Okay. So, Docker has a public registry called Docker Hub to store your Docker image. You can upload it to Docker Hub for free. Anything you can upload is also public, but this might not be best option for your project. Since the version 2.0, Docker registry changes name to Docker distribution. A Docker distribution is a storage and a distribution solution for your Docker image. It is the backend behind the Docker Hub and it's open source. The fact that it's open source means you can build a Docker registry on your private on-premise server. But one main thing considered is that it delegates an authorization service for your Docker image. And Portus came to solve this problem. Portus is an open source authorization service. Portus is an open source authorization service and user interface for controlling your Docker image. It's created by SUSE team. The main job of Portus is being an authorization service for your Docker registry and provide the useful and powerful UI on top of your registry. Okay. Before we go to Portus, this is a sorry. Okay, this is a frequently comment on Docker registry. This is a Docker pull for download or pull your Docker image from your registry. Docker push to upload image from registry. Docker login to login to the registry server and logout from registry server. Docker tag to tagging an image if we want to push an image to a Docker registry. So let's explore Portus. Here this is a Portus login or we will hands on with the Portus. Portus has many ways to install, but I will not explain about Portus installation. I just want to explain about Portus feature in here. I have a user. Sorry. Yeah. No. Okay, this is a Portus UI. This is a dashboard. You can see a dashboard for tracking an activity for user. This is a namespace. Namespace is a collection of repositories, and this is a teams. Teams is belongs to namespace. Teams is organization which is contained the user. For example, I have a DevOps team, and this is a member of my team. This is an admin panel. You can create users, teams, or namespace here. So let's focus to namespace page. This is namespace page. By default, we have two namespace here. This is a global namespace and this is a private namespace. A global namespace means that you can pull an image or download an image from your Docker registry without an authentication. But you can upload an image or Docker image to this registry, to this namespace. So if you want to push an image in the Docker registry, you need to log in first. And this is a private namespace. Only administrator can push and pull an image. And we have additional namespace here. This is a namespace team. You can specify your team to this namespace. Okay, so I will here I have developer namespace. This namespace managed by developer namespace, and where is the team? Oh yes, development namespace as organized by DevOps team. So this is I have a senior and junior user. Senior have a role, contributor roles. It means contributor can push and pull image to this namespace, and junior it can only can pull an image to the Docker registry. So we'll explain it. Okay, this is I have a user for senior. It can pull and push your Docker image to this namespace. For example, I have this is how we log in first. Here. Sorry. This is I have one repository. I have openSUSE image, and I want to push it to my computer. Okay. Here I have login to with a user senior, and I want to pull openSUSE image for to my computer. This is my I want to pull again, but I need to delete it. So this I have an image from my repository. So this I will pull the okay. This is a command for pull image. This is using port 5000 port. Open. Specify your namespace and specify your image. This is use latest version. So I didn't to specify the version. So here I have image. This is from Docker registry. So this is a example for pull an image, and I want to explain again for push an image. So this is I have a BC box image. I want to push it to my Docker registry. First, I have a question for you. If you can answer it, you will get a t-shirt from openSUSE.Asia maybe. Is this command true to push an image to Docker registry? Sorry, maybe I mean how to push an image, upload this image BC box to our Docker registry. Okay, maybe my explanation is not good. Okay, I will next. So before you push an image, you need to take BC box to your Portus to specify your Portus address. If you are not specify the address for your Docker registry, it will push to Docker Hub, not on your Docker registry. This is will push an image to Docker Hub, not to your Docker registry. So first you need to take BC box to specify your Docker registry. I have a namespace development and give the name for image and okay, sorry, I mean development. We can push it. Okay. No. For the result, we need to. This is we have push for our image to Docker Own Registry Server. This is example for a Portus, and then this is a senior user. He have a role for contributor. He is it can be push or pull your image. But if it's a viewer, if I want to push an image to a Docker registry, it will be error. Because access to the resource is denied because he is just a contributor. He is just a viewer, not a contributor. This is example for Portus. And You can explore it as you can and you can see a documentation for Portus. Portus has many features to explore. For example, it is can integration with Own Docker Server or Active Directory. So you can easily log in with the user using an Active Directory server or LDAP, and I will okay. If you want to Portus is still development by SUSE teams. So Portus still need your contribution to develop this project. And if you are a student or a college, you can join to contribute with Portus in Google Summer of Code and get an achievement. If you have any idea to explore Portus, maybe you can send your idea to this mailing list in a Google groups, and maybe this is enough for me. I'm sorry if not my explanation is not good. Thank you and good afternoon.